Most people think YouTube makes money through ads, and while ad revenue is great, that's actually not where most of my income comes from. In fact, some of my videos make me money long after they've been published, whether I'm working, at the gym, spending time with family, or sleeping. The reason is simple. I don't just publish YouTube videos, I build YouTube funnels. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how my YouTube funnel works, why it works, and how you can build one for yourself. Let's jump in. The first thing you need to understand is that views don't pay. Attention pays. A lot of people focus on getting more views, more subscribers, more likes, more comments. And while all of those things are important, none of them automatically generate revenue. What generates revenue is moving people through a system, a journey, a funnel. That's why when somebody watches one of my videos, the goal isn't just for them to watch. The goal is to move them to the next step. Let's look at the funnel. At the very top, we have YouTube. This is where attention is created. People search for solutions, questions, reviews, tutorials, problems, and hopefully they find one of my videos. For example, in video AI review, go high level tutorial, affiliate marketing training, AI content creation, YouTube SEO. The video attracts the viewer, but that's only step one. Most creators stop here. That's a mistake because the real value comes from what happens next. The next step is the landing page. Under every video, I include a call to action. Sometimes it's a free trial, sometimes it's a lead magnet, sometimes it's a bonus page, sometimes it's a training course. But the objective is always the same. Move the viewer from YouTube onto an asset that I control. Because I don't own YouTube. YouTube owns YouTube. But I do own my website. I do own my landing pages. And I do own my email list. That's an important distinction. The landing page acts as a bridge between attention and conversion. Its job is simple. Capture the lead. Now let's talk about the email follow-up. This is where most of the magic happens. Imagine somebody watches a video today. Maybe they're interested, maybe they're not ready to buy, maybe they're still researching, maybe they're comparing different options. If I don't capture their email address, there's a good chance I'll never see them again. But if I collect their email, the relationship continues. Now I can send training, case studies, success stories, tutorials, reviews, bonuses, and offers over time without needing them to come back to YouTube. This is why email marketing is still one of the most valuable business assets you can build, because most people don't buy immediately. They buy after trust has been built. The next step in the funnel is the offer. This could be an affiliate product, a software recommendation, a coaching program, a course, a service, or a digital product. The important thing is that the offer solves the problem that attracted the viewer in the first place. For example, someone searching for an AI video creation solution might discover InVideo AI. Someone looking for CRM software might discover Go High Level. Someone trying to build a better marketing system might discover one of my training programs. The offer is simply the logical next step in the journey. Now here's where things become really interesting, because this entire process can be automated. The video works 24 hours a day. The landing page works 24 hours a day. The email sequence works 24 hours a day. The offer works 24 hours a day. That means the funnel continues working even when I'm not. And that's why I say the funnel makes money while I sleep. Not because money magically appears, but because the system keeps working. Imagine publishing one video. That video generates views. Those views generate leads. Those leads enter your email sequence. The email sequence promotes your offer. The offer generates commissions. Now imagine doing that 10 times, 20 times, 50 times, 100 times. Each video becomes a small digital asset, a salesperson working around the clock. The other thing I love about this model is that it's highly scalable. A video I publish today could still generate traffic 6 months from now, 1 year from now, or even several years from now, especially if it ranks on YouTube and Google. That's why I spend so much time focusing on ranking content, because every ranked video becomes another asset feeding the funnel. And the more assets you create, the more opportunities you create. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. They build half the system. Some people create videos but have no funnel. Some build funnels but have no traffic. Some create content but never build an email list. Some collect emails but never follow up. The power comes from combining everything together: traffic, funnels, email, offers, automation, working as one system. That's when things start to compound. Now let's talk about the exact funnel structure I use. Step 1. Create a YouTube video around a keyword people are already searching for. The goal is to solve a problem people are actively looking for. Step 2. Give viewers a reason to click the link in the description. That could be a free trial, a bonus package, a checklist, a guide, a training course, or another valuable resource. Step 3. Send them to a landing page. The landing page captures their details and presents the next logical step. Step 4. Add them to an email sequence. Most sales happen after multiple touch points. That's why email remains so powerful. Step 5. Present relevant offers. These could be software products, affiliate products, digital products and services, coaching, or consulting. Every step is designed to move the prospect closer to a solution. Now, if you're wondering what tools I use, the process is actually very simple. I use YouTube to attract attention, landing pages to capture leads, email marketing to build relationships, and affiliate products, services, and digital products to generate revenue. The technology isn't the secret, the system is. And that's why I believe every creator, affiliate marketer, coach, consultant, agency owner, and online business should be building a YouTube funnel. Because unlike social media posts that disappear after a few hours, YouTube videos can continue generating traffic for years. And when they're connected to a proper funnel, they become much more valuable than views alone. Now, if you're watching this and thinking you'd like to build something similar for your own business, I've put together a funnel launch partnership program where I share more about how I approach funnels and online systems. I've left a link in the description if you'd like to take a look. But whether you work with me, use another solution, or build it yourself, the key takeaway is this: stop thinking about individual videos. Start thinking about systems, because one video might generate a few views, but a properly built YouTube funnel can generate leads, customers, and commissions long after the video is published. And that's the real power of YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.